Hello students, I hope you're doing well. Here I have some problems based on identity 1. A plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Well, the question is find the value of x square plus 1 by x square and x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 if given is x plus 1 upon x equals to 6. To start with, we have to take the identity and put into the box. X plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 6 square. This we get it by squaring both sides, LHS and RHS. Therefore, we get x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2x 1 upon x equals to 36. Hence, x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 36 minus 2, that is 34. Okay. Now, we bring this down the way it is and again square both sides. Okay, so we get 34 square, which is equal to 1156, and when we elaborate this, we are getting x to the power 4 and 1 upon x to the power 4 plus 2 dot x to the power 2 and 1 upon x to the power 2. This gets cancelled. X to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 therefore is equal to 1156 minus 2, which is equal to 1154. I hope you have got it because this 2 gets transposed here